20 minutes later.
Hello, I'm David Attenbrug, and today we're going to learn about bushfires. Bushfires can happen anywhere in the world, although they need three key elements to start: fuel, oxygen, and an ignition source. Other more specific factors that start bushfires are fuel load, fuel moisture, temperature, humidity, the angle of the slope the fire is traveling along, and the source of ignition. As you may have noticed, behind me burns a fire started by human influence. Believe it or not, two different categories of fire burn here. The first and most predominant is the crown fire, which burns rapidly through the canopies of the trees. The other fire present is a surface fire, which burns all litter and low-lying vegetation around it. The third type of fire is the ground fire, which is a slow, smouldering fire with no flame and little smoke, as you can see here. Oh dear, it appears that I'm trapped. Time for some movie magic. Aha, back again. Now let's look at the impacts caused by bushfires in the hydrosphere, the atmosphere, the lithosphere, and the biosphere. Smoke that drifts over lakes, rivers, or seas will be absorbed into the water, and if there is an excessive amount of smoke being absorbed, then it is quite likely that harm will come to the aquatic life that lives in the water source. Smoke from bushfires rises up into the atmosphere, where it is absorbed into greenhouse gases, which is bad for the environment. It also covers up sunlight, which lowers visibility and increases humans' and animals' risks of getting hurt, and stops photosynthesis. Bushfires benefit the lithosphere, as the ash from the burnt vegetation helps fertilize the soil. And finally, the biosphere. The effects bushfires have on the biosphere are more severe than any of the other spheres. Plants are incinerated and trees burnt to a crisp. Deadly smoke produced from the fire burns people's throats and eyes and causes suffocation. It causes animals to go homeless, and humans too. But some things benefit from bushfires. Some plant and animal species benefit from the fires, such as the banksia and the New Holland mouse. The fire regenerates the plant's seeds, and the animals eat those seeds.